My name is Sivasankar Babu. I am a techno banker with around 30 plus years experience in banking and capital market areas of finance. And out of this, around 26 years, I have worked in IT related service in later part of my career. At present, I am running a company called Techno Bankers, focusing on banking related consulting, training, and product mentoring. In the meantime, after coming out of full-time service from 55, started learning more about the Indian heritage and learned a lot by volunteering for Tamil Heritage Trust and several other regional heritage groups. I'm sharing the basics learned in art and architecture of heritage of India for similar persons who are interested in learning the same, while I continue learning more into the art and architecture related subjects. My interests are in temple architecture, iconography, epigraphy, Indian dynasties, photography and travel, and would be adding more and more areas in this. Now, what this channel Babu for Heritage contains. One, at present it contains very detailed presentations on basics of art and architecture as I understand, and with the training or content I have been exposed to in the last several years. This covers what temples tells us, a peek into what you can look into at the temples, Malay, an architectural history, a series of 4 videos, and an analysis of Chola period commerce and fiscal policy, a presentation on Indian temple architecture, the basic models, the structures, and how we will be able to differentiate between various styles. There is also a presentation on temple malls, the concept, and a few examples, and a list to cover during your vacations. There are 2 detailed presentations on Konark as well as Khajuraho and more to come. I am also planning and working on releasing short videos focusing on unknown aspects of temples, individual temple darshan, as well as iconography of temples on how to identify sculptures and classify them. This is one part of the channel. The other interesting part is a playlist of curated videos. This is a list of videos which I have seen and enjoyed and feel that yes, this will be very useful to learn the basics about our heritage. These are grouped by the stream as well as subject, like temples of India by region, architecture by styles, monuments by religion, the history by dynasties, and ancient heritage by activities. Welcome to Babu for Heritage channel. This is primarily focusing on sculpture, architecture, inscription, history, dynasties. Subscribe to the channel to get regular updates on new videos created and added to the curated playlist. Do spread the awareness about heritage by liking the videos and sharing the content you enjoy. If you have any views or queries, you are welcome to post it in comments for interaction, or you can contact me in this following details in mobile number, email, or through Facebook chat. Welcome to Babu for Heritage. Thank you for viewing this video and thank you for visiting the channel. Looking forward to more visits and feedback from you. Have a nice day.